We're here at the IHS Vehicle Research Center where we've just launched an updated moderate overlap crash test. Sushant, you worked on the development of this test program. Can you talk us through what we're looking for?
So with this new Moderate 2.0, which is an update to our previous Moderate overlap crash test, we are adding a rear seat dummy. So all the vehicles that will be tested with this new protocol will also be rated on their performance in the rear seat.
One of the things we're looking closely at is the belt interaction for that rear-seated dummy. Can you talk to us about what submarining is?
So submarining is when the lap portion of the belt slips off over the pelvis and into the abdominal region, and that is not desirable because it increases the risk of abdominal injuries.
So is this something that we see a lot in the real-world data for rear-seated passengers?
We do see abdominal injuries, and mainly due to the lap belt loading, and that's why we have included it as one of our metrics for our rear seat evaluation program.
So we're looking at a couple different things when we rate a vehicle in this new test. But what happens if there is submarining like this? What does that mean for the vehicle's rating?
We have weighted the submarining heavily in our ratings metric, so vehicles that show this kind of behavior are downgraded.
And speaking of the ratings, we've put out one test group so far. It was a group of 15 small SUVs, a range of performance, but a lot of poor performers, some marginal performers. Was this sort of a common issue that we saw in those vehicles?
So out of those 15 vehicles that we tested, we saw submarining in 5 of those vehicles, and they were spread across all the different ratings.
If you want to learn more about ratings for those small SUVs, head to ihs.org, and we're going to have a lot more ratings coming out this year as we ramp up testing in the new program.
That's correct.
Fantastic. Thank you.